Hey everyone, welcome back. If your Android phone feels slower than before, don't rush to change your device just yet, because most people don't realize this. Your phone already has hidden Google Play Store settings running in the background that can affect performance, storage, notifications, and even privacy. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to optimize them step by step. Make sure you watch carefully and apply each setting because they all work together. Let's start. First, open Google Play Store. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Now go into Settings. Open General. Then tap Account and Device Preferences. Now here is the first important part. Turn off email notifications and recommendations if you don't want Google sending you promotional emails and app suggestions that you don't need. Next, scroll down and open Beta Program. If you are enrolled in beta testing for any app, then leave the beta program unless you specifically want to test new features. Beta versions often contain bugs and can sometimes cause crashes or battery drain. For most users, the stable version is the better choice. Go back and open Notifications. This section is very important because this is where most of the spam comes from. You will see different categories. Turn off deals and promotions, recommendations and suggestions, pre-registration notifications if you don't care about upcoming apps, but keep on security alerts, purchase notifications, app updates. This alone can reduce a huge amount of unnecessary distractions on your phone. Next, look for location-based recommendations. This simply suggests apps based on where you are. Most users don't need this, so you can safely turn it off. But here is something important. Make sure Automatically Archive Apps is still on, because this feature helps you save storage automatically by removing unused app space while keeping your personal data safe. So don't turn that off. Next, find App Installation Optimization. This setting sends usage data to Google to improve app installation performance. If privacy matters to you, turn this off. Next, tap Developer Options. Make sure Internal App Sharing Toggle is turned off, because this feature is mainly for developers who need to install and test unreleased apps. If you're not a developer, then keep this off. It provides no benefit for regular users and can expose you to unfinished app versions. One important thing, generally, the Developer Options menu is hidden inside Google Play Store, so many people don't even know it exists. If you do not see Developer Options in your Google Play Store, here is how to enable it. Open the About section inside Play Store Settings. Find Play Store Version. Tap on Play Store Version several times. After a few taps, you will see a message saying that Developer Options have been enabled. Now let's move to the most misunderstood part. Play Protect. Tap your profile picture again. Select Play Protect. Then tap the gear icon in the top right corner. Now listen carefully. There are only two important options here. First, keep Scan Apps with Play Protect turned on. This is your phone's built-in security system that scans apps for harmful behavior and threats. Second, you will see Improve Harmful App Detection. This option sends some app activity data to Google so Android can better detect dangerous apps in the future. If privacy is your priority, you can turn this off, but never turn off Play Protect scanning itself, because that is your main protection layer. Now go back. Open Manage Apps and Device. Switch from installed to not installed. Here you will find every app and game you ever downloaded using your Google account, even apps you deleted years ago. You can reinstall them anytime or clean up your digital history. I recommend clearing them for better performance and storage. Next, go to Play Store, open About section, and update it if an update is available. Now let's move to the final step. Open your phone settings. Go to Apps, search for Google Play Services. Open Storage and tap Clear Cache. Now do the same for Google Play Store. Then search for Android System Web View and clear cache there as well. These apps store temporary files over time, and clearing cache helps your phone run smoother without deleting any personal data. Just remember, never clear data unless you fully understand what it does, and make it a habit to clear cache for system apps every few weeks, because these small settings changes can actually reduce clutter, improve privacy, and make your Android phone feel noticeably smoother again. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more privacy tech tips. Thanks for watching.